Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Do you still believe that simply walking every day is enough to stay strong, flexible, and fully healthy after the age of 60? While walking absolutely improves heart health, boosts your mood, helps clear your mind, and keeps you moving, the truth is, walking alone is not enough to protect your strength, balance, and mobility as you age. Walking does not stop the rapid muscle loss that happens with age. It does not strengthen your reflexes for balance, and it does not protect you against falls, the hidden threat that causes the most injuries, fractures, and long-term disability in older adults. Starting around age 50, the body begins a natural process called sarcopenia, where you lose about 1% to 2% of muscle mass every single year. Without the right type of exercise, that loss shows up as weakness, bad posture, sore joints, smaller steps, slower movement, unstable balance, and fear or hesitation while walking or getting up. The biggest concern is this. Walking works your heart and lightly activates your muscles, but only on the surface. It does not train your power muscles, does not strengthen your deep core, and does not protect your joints or spine. And these deep muscles are exactly what prevent falls, keep your balance steady, and allow you to move confidently. But here is the good news, and it is powerful. This decline is not an automatic part of aging. Science has proven that even in your 60s, 70s, and 80s, your body can still rebuild muscle, regain strength, and dramatically improve balance, with just 10 to 15 minutes a day of the right targeted exercises. Exercises that activate your glutes, legs, core, and balance systems. In simple words, age is not the problem. The problem is not giving your body the right stimulus, and you still have time to bring that stimulus back. In this video, you will learn 6 therapeutic exercises, gentle, safe, and scientifically supported, that wake up your deep muscles, strengthen your joints, improve posture, restore balance, and refine your walking ability. If you want to age with strength, not fear, and move into every year feeling capable, confident, and independent, stay with me until the end. What you learn today may not only transform how you move, but how you live every day. Exercise 1. Wall push-ups. Wall push-ups are one of the most effective and safest movements for older adults to restore posture, upper body strength, and healthy breathing. Over time, shoulders roll forward, the back curves, and the chest collapses. This posture, called thoracic kyphosis, not only makes you look older, it reduces lung capacity, disrupts balance, increases fall risk, causes fatigue, and accelerates mobility decline. Wall push-ups reverse this. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and especially the muscles that stabilize the spine, like the serratus anterior, spinal erectors, and transverse abdominis. These muscles keep your torso upright and stable. The wall provides a safe angle, especially for those with sensitive joints, osteopenia, or neck-back weakness. As you push, your core automatically engages, improving your stability, breathing, and ability to walk tall and stand longer without fatigue. This movement opens the chest, strengthens breathing muscles, improves oxygen flow, and reduces stress when paired with mindful breathing. And every push trains a pattern your body uses daily, pushing doors, rising from chairs, and catching yourself when you lose balance. Just with this one exercise, you improve posture, breathing, strength, stability, and confidence, without equipment, without strain, and without getting on the floor. Exercise 2. Calf activation. Your calves are your body's circulation pump. Every step squeezes blood upward toward the heart. With age, movement decreases and circulation slows, leading to swollen ankles, varicose veins, cramps, and heavy legs. Weak calves lead to slow blood return, reduced oxygen to muscles, and tired legs, which is why many older adults say their legs feel dead or weak. Strengthening the calves reactivates circulation, reduces swelling and inflammation, improves metabolic health, and restores energy to your legs, far more effectively than walking alone. The calves are also essential for balance and fall prevention. Every step, stair climb, and quick reaction to uneven ground relies on strong calf muscles and steady ankles. With age, Achilles tendons stiffen and power fibers decrease, leading to short shuffling steps and tripping. Calf activation trains your power response and helps restore natural walking mechanics, posture, and stamina. It is a small movement with enormous benefits for stability, circulation, and confidence while walking. Exercise 3. Marching in place, high knees. Marching in place with high knees strengthens the hips, activates the core, trains balance, and boosts your heart health, all without impact or risk. Unlike outdoor walking where terrain and distractions can create fear, this controlled movement lets you lift your knees higher, swing your arms strongly, and retrain your walking pattern safely. High knee marching strengthens hip flexors, improves posture, increases lung capacity, and restores natural walking rhythm. It also stimulates the brain, improves coordination, and strengthens neuromuscular connections, which helps you react faster and prevents falls. In just a few minutes a day, this restores confidence, improves step length, reduces back pain, and teaches your body to move like it used to, smoothly, confidently, and with purpose. Exercise 4. Squat, or chair squat. The squat may be the most important movement for lifelong independence. It is the motion you use to stand up from a chair, toilet, or car. Losing this ability is the first major step toward dependency. Age, inactivity, and fear lead to avoiding squats, which causes even faster muscle loss and joint stiffness. Squats build glutes, thighs, and core, the foundation muscles for strength and mobility. They improve bone density, metabolism, balance, spine alignment, and posture. Starting with a chair makes this safe and achievable for everyone. With consistency, squats teach the body to move smoothly, rise confidently, and live independently. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can protect your dignity, freedom, and confidence in movement. Exercise 5. Glute bridge. The glute bridge wakes up the entire backside of the body, especially your glutes, the muscle responsible for hip stability, walking power, and protecting the spine. With age and long sitting hours, the glutes switch off, a problem known as dead glute syndrome. When glutes stop doing their job, the lower back takes over, causing pain, imbalance, and weakness. Glute bridges reactivate this powerful area, improving posture, reducing back pain, strengthening the core, and restoring proper movement mechanics. They also boost circulation, improve breathing, and enhance walking stability. This exercise is safe, gentle, and incredibly effective, even for people with back issues, because it strengthens without painful bending or strain. Exercise 6. Lateral leg raise. Side leg lifts strengthen the hip abductors, especially the gluteus medius, your body's built-in balance protector. This often neglected muscle keeps the pelvis stable and prevents the knee from collapsing inward. When it weakens, the body sways side to side while walking, knees and ankles suffer, and fall risk increases dramatically, especially sideways falls, which cause most hip fractures. Lateral leg raises rebuild hip stability, correct imbalance, improve posture, and help you walk with a steady, confident stride. They also nourish the hip joint, reduce stiffness, and retrain the nervous system for fast balance reactions. With just a few sets per week, noticeable improvements in stability, confidence, and walking quality begin quickly. The combined power of these exercises. When practiced together, these movements restore the body's core functions: strength, balance, posture, joint support, walking mechanics, confidence, independence. They re-educate your nervous system, activate your deep stabilizers, protect your spine, and reduce falling risk by up to 50%. They also increase oxygen flow, reduce inflammation, balance hormones, and support longevity. Most importantly, your muscles can grow at any age. Even at 70, 80, and beyond, the body responds. Every repetition trains your brain, strengthens your bones, and protects your future. This is not just exercise. It is your insurance policy for independent living. You have two choices. Let time dictate your health, or take control and build strength, stability, and freedom. Do not wait for pain, dependence, or loss of mobility. Start now. Like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and save this routine. Practice it daily and join me in building a life full of movement, dignity, and energy. Your best years are not behind you. They begin with the first rep you choose today. Your body will thank you. Your future self will thank you. And your life will transform one movement at a time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.